Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jollibee-style gravy using crispy fry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need crispy fry breading mix, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. For the liquid base, have 1½ cups of milk or water, and ½ cup of chicken drippings or a dissolved bouillon cube. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper for perfect seasoning. Now let's create the foundation for our delicious gravy, the roux. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking continuously to prevent lumps and ensure a smooth consistency. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly, until it achieves a light golden brown color. This step is crucial for a rich, flavorful gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquids. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of milk or water, whisking vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. Next, incorporate ½ cup of your chicken drippings or the dissolved bouillon cube for that authentic savory depth. Finally, season your gravy with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue whisking until everything is well combined and smooth. Bring your gravy to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently. As it heats, it will begin to thicken to a beautiful, creamy consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Remove it from the heat and it's ready to serve with your favorite fried chicken. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade Jollibee-style gravy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.